Being an Indian, we should know about our national symbols. Our national symbols are our national flag, state emblem, national anthem, national song, national calendar, national animal, national bird, national flower, national tree, national fruit, and national aquatic animal. So, we'll see what are all these. Firstly, our national flag. The national flag is a horizontal tricolor of deep saffron Caesarea at the top, white in the middle, and dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. The ratio of width of the flag to its length is 2 to 3. In the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel which represents the chakra. Its design is that of the wheel which appears on the abacus of the Saranath lion capital of Ashoka. Its diameter approximates to the width of the white band and it has 24 spokes. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. Apart from non-statutory instructions issued by the government from time to time, display of the national flag is governed by the provisions of the Emblems and Names Prevention of Improper Use Act 1950, number 12 of 1950, and the Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971, number 69 of 1971. The Flag Code of India 2002 took effect from 26 January 2002, which brings together all such laws, conventions, practices and instructions for the guidance and benefit of all concerned. In an important judgment in January 2004, the Supreme Court, under the chairmanship of the Chief Justice B.N. Khare, pronounced that unfurling hoisting of the national flag is a fundamental right under Article 19(1)(a). For the first time, the national flag of India was hoisted in the midnight of 14th August 1947, the previous day of our Independence Day. Now, state emblem. The state emblem is an adaptation from the Saranath lion capital of Ashoka. In the original, there are 4 lions standing back to back, mounted on an abacus with a frieze carrying sculpture in high relief of an elephant, a galloping horse, a bull and a lion separated by intervening wheels over a bell-shaped lotus. Carved out of a single block of polished sandstone, the capital is crowned by the wheel of the law, which is called Dharma Chakra. In the state emblem adopted by the Government of India on 26 January 1950, only 3 lions are visible. The 4th being hidden from view, the wheel appears in relief in the center of the abacus with a bull on right and a horse on left and the outlines of the other wheels on extreme right and left. The bell-shaped lotus has been omitted. The word Satyameva Jayate from Mundaka Upanishad, meaning truth alone triumphs, are inscribed below the abacus in Devanagari script. The use of state emblem of India as the official seal of the Government of India is regulated by the State of India Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005. Now, National Anthem. The song Jana Gana Mana, composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore, was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the National Anthem of India on 24 January 1950. It was first sung on 27 December 1911 at the Kolkata session. Chairman Pandit Bishan Narayan Dutt. The complete song consists of 5 stanzas. Rabindranath Tagore had published in Taktabodhini in 1912 with the title Bharat Bhagya Vidhata and translated it into English in 1919 with the title Morning Song of India. The credit for present tune music of our national anthem goes to Captain Ram Singh Thakur, who was an INA sepoy. Playing time of the full version of the national anthem is approximately 52 seconds. A short version of the first and last line of the stanza, playing time approximately 20 seconds, is also played on certain occasions. The full version of our national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Now, the national song. The national song Bande Mataram, composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was a source of inspiration to the people in the struggle for freedom. It has an equal status with Jana Gana Mana, the first political occasion when it was sung at the 1896 session. Chairman Rahimatullah Sayani of Indian National Congress. The song was published in the novel Anandamath, authored by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and was adopted as the national song on 26 January 1950. Playing time of this song 1 minute and 5 seconds, 65 seconds only. Session of Parliament begins with Jana Gana Mana and concludes with Bande Mataram. National Calendar. The national calendar, based on the Saka era, Chaitra as its first month and a normal year of 365 days, was adopted from 22nd March 1957 along with the Gregorian calendar for the following official purposes. Number 1. Gazette of India. Number 2. News broadcast by All India Radio. Number 3. Calendars issued by the Government of India. Number 4. Government communications addressed to the members of the public. Dates of the national calendar have a permanent correspondence with dates of the Gregorian calendar. First Chaitra falling on 22nd March normally and on 21st March in leap year. Now, the national animal. Our national animal is the magnificent tiger, whose scientific name is Panthera tigris. Our national bird is the Indian peacock, scientific name Pavo cristatus. Our national flower is lotus, Nilambo nucifera Gertin. Our national tree is the banyan tree, scientific name Ficus bengalensis. National fruit mango, scientific name is Mangifera indica, and national aquatic animal is the mammal Ganges river dolphin. Scientific name is Platanista gangetica. To get all videos about Know India series, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.